What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As always, like, subscribe, comment, and help us grow. Today we're going to be talking about some Kemimoto 50-liter saddlebags. They sent them over to us a few weeks ago to try out, and we're just going to give you our thoughts on them. Alright, well there they are. It's the Kemimoto 50-liter saddlebags. I said you got 25 liters on this side, 25 liters on that side. They're made out of 100% waterproof PVC material. Durability wise, I don't know how it's going to hold up long term, but it seems pretty durable. But we'll see how it holds up and crashes, and we'll definitely give you an update later on that. You got this little clear area there where you can put your emergency contacts, stuff like that, in case you crash or something happens, somebody know who to call. Got the webbing looks pretty thick, and this is just for your roll top closure. Just cinches down there, and you clip it together there. Like I said, roll it down, clip it on both sides, clip it here, and you can cinch it down and pull it tight. On the other side, it's a little bit different. Same closure, same straps, except you just got this little waterproof pocket right here. You can put your wallet down there, your phone, keys, whatever you want to put in there. It's not a real big pocket, but it can hold a few little things. We had to pause the video for not one, two, but three snakes, black snakes, mating. Back to your regular scheduled program. As far as mounting them on the bike goes, you got this nylon material here with Velcro on it. You get that adjusted so you can get the bags side to side how you want them. This webbing is actually attached to the bags itself too, and you can actually pull it tight once you get the Velcro set where you want. That just gives it a little more support. You got this strap right here that hooks to this bag, and it hooks over here on this bag. And you just run that. You can run it down by your tail light or however it's going to fit on your particular bike. You pull that tight, and that keeps the bags from sliding back and forth. All right, then down here you got just a little strap back there that hooks to your frame of your bike or to your rack system. And they do recommend, Kemimoto recommends that you have a rack system. Just keeps that from touching your exhaust, because it's not a heat resistant material, so it will melt if it touches something hot. So they definitely recommend the rack. And that just straps right there. Our biggest complaint with them is that it really needs a strap here and on the front of the bag, so you can go to this point so you can pull that down, because going down rougher terrain they do like that. That's the biggest complaint with them. If they had straps down here, you could pull them tight to the rack. That would help them from sliding and from bouncing. And as far as opening them up and getting inside the bags, all you got to do is unclip that, unclip that, unclip that, and unclip that. They roll open. They got a Velcro top closure, and that's pretty much you're into the bag. I got my cooking set in there, pump, some extra like tape and stuff, a little bit of first aid stuff, and extra stuff for our camera equipment. As you can see, pretty deep in there. They ain't got no kind of hard liner, nothing to protect it back there, nothing like that. Like I said, 25 liters. You see approximately how deep that is. Pretty good all in all. I think this right here could be a little bit longer, just so you get a little better roll top closure on it. But small complaint, like I said, the biggest thing is just having something on the bottom of that bag to keep from bouncing. We got some pretty decent room in it. Like I said, the other one's exactly the same, so I won't open it up. But it's exactly the same. Only difference is you got a zipper pocket there to hold a little more stuff. So there you go. Here's a look at them. All in all, not too bad, especially for $100. Really can't beat them. Well, there's a look at the 50-liter Kemimoto saddlebags. Like I said, we only had them for a couple weeks, so hadn't got to put them through the extensive testing that we really want to. With Timmy being hurt, just hadn't been riding as much as we really like to. But like I said, when he comes back, we'll mount him on his bike. We'll give them a more long-term test, and we'll definitely give you an update on how they're holding up and how we're liking them long-term. But first impressions, pretty good bags for $100. I don't think you really can beat them. Other than the two straps being on the bottom that we suggested to keep from flopping. Other than that, seems like pretty decent quality, especially for $100. Probably the cheapest thing on the market, so I would take a chance on them for sure. But as always, like, subscribe, comment, and help us grow. And hopefully we'll be back on some bigger adventures soon. And see y'all in the next one.